This is the fourth part of our second lesson on saying please. So open your books, page number 15, second paragraph. This does not mean that the damages are negligible. So what is the meaning of negligible? Look at the book. Negligible, it means that need not be taken into the account. So what is account? Taken into the account, it means taken into consideration. So what is consideration? Consideration, it means think about something. Or someone. This does not mean that the damages are negligible. So in the above line, we have learned that if we behave rudely, unpolitely with anyone, so that time that person hurts by this kind of behavior, and therefore that person has some kind of moral and intellectual damages, and there is not any kind of law to protect this kind of moral and intellectual damages. So therefore the writer is saying here that this doesn't mean if there is not any kind of law, so it doesn't mean that you have permission to hurt anyone morally and intellectually. It is probably. What is the meaning of probably? Look at the board. Probability, it means likely. Likely, it means it is possible, possibility. It is probable that the left man was much more acutely. So what is the meaning of acutely? It means sharply. Acutely hurt by what he regarded. Look at the meaning of regarded. Regarded, it means consider in a particular way. Consider, it means think about. Regarded as a slur. See the meaning of slur? Slur, it means bloat. So what is the meaning of bloat? See here. Bloat, it means a dark mark. As a slur upon his social standing than he would have been if he had a kick on the shins. Look at the meaning of shin. Shin, it means the front of the leg below the knee. For which he could have got a legal redress. So what is the meaning of redress? Look at here. It means correct and compensate. So what is the meaning of compensate? In the last part I have given you the meaning of this word. Compensate, it means give something for someone's loss or suffering. So here, what the writer is telling us, it is probable, it is likely, it is possible that the liftman heard very sharply, very acutely by what he regarded as a slur upon his social standing, and the way that person who came into lift behaved. The liftman thought that it is a dark mark on his social standing, and therefore that liftman hurt very sharply, very badly in his heart. So what he says, if someone comes and hit me on my leg below my knee, so that is okay for me. But someone is hurting me here in my heart, so that pain I can't bear. And no one can correct that pain, no one can compensate that pain. The pain of kick on the shin soon pass away. Pass away, it means end, vanish. But the pain of a wound to our self-respect or our vanity, the meaning of vanity is given here in this blue line, pride, may poison a whole day. So what the liftman trying to say here, that someone comes and hit on our shin, our leg below the knee, so there will be some kind of pain, and that pain will vanish in after some time. But someone is hurting you to your heart, so that pain no one can end, no one can vanish. That pain cannot be passed away easily. I can imagine that liftman denied. Look at the meaning of denied. Denied, it means refuse to admit the truth and existence of. Denied the relief. The meaning of relief I will give you here. Let me first clean it. Relief, it means removal of pain, anxiety, or distress. I can imagine that liftman denied the relief of throwing the author. So author, it means normally we know that the writer, but this word have another meaning also. So what is the meaning of another meaning? Author, it means according to this lesson, an originator of his wound out of the lift. So what the writer is trying to tell here, I can imagine that the liftman denied the relief of throwing the author of his wound out of the lift. Brooding over, the meaning of this word is given here, thinking anxiously or sadly about something, the insult by the hour, and visiting his wife in the evening as the only way of restoring. Look at the meaning of restoring here. It means bring back to the former situation. Restoring his equilibrium. Equilibrium, it means the meaning is given here balance. Okay. So the writer is trying to tell us here that I can imagine, I can think about that the liftman, when he threw that person out of his lift, who hurt him, who gave wound on his heart. So after that, there was some kind of relief to him. There was some kind of relief from the pain of his hurted heart. But that was not enough for him. After that incident, the whole day went very sad for him. He was continuously thinking about that incident, about his insult, and finally, when he will reach to his home, that time, after talking with his wife, his mind will come to his former position. He will be relaxed at that time. So today we are going to stop here. The remaining part we will see in the next part. Thank you very much.